there's two important things you need to know about the Joyce Chen bamboo steamer before you get one. So I'm going to go over that. I'm going to go over some of the questions that people have about this product on Amazon. And I'm also just going to go over the basic functions, how you use it, how you clean it, etc. So first of all, it's a 2-layer bamboo steamer. So, you can put 2 layers of things, cover it, and it's meant to go either in a wok, ideally, or on top of a pot with water. Works either way. I like to use it on a wok just because it's kind of easy. You just fill it enough so that the bottom is covered with water. Now it's 100% bamboo, which is preferable to metal, I think. It doesn't get as hot as metal, more steam can escape. And so I find that your food cooks a little bit better. It doesn't get overcooked and mushy like it sometimes can in a metal steamer. What do you use a bamboo steamer for? I personally use it, I would say 99% of the time, for making dumplings. I just buy frozen dumplings at the Asian market and they cook perfectly in a bamboo steamer. You can also do fish. Fish comes out nice and flaky and not overcooked. And just vegetables also. Broccoli, green beans, especially, I do a lot of in the steamer. They just come out, they don't lose their flavor or their nutrition. They stay bright green. And I just kind of prefer a steamed versus a boiled vegetable. Now, how easy is it to use? Extremely easy. You just drop it in your wok on top of your pot. Make sure there's enough water. You don't want the water to run out. And you always want water to cover the bottom so it doesn't burn. It's super easy to use. I'm going to do a demo and cook some dumplings, so follow me. So you can see I laid down some cabbage leaves, and that will prevent things from sticking and getting messy. And now I've got a layer of shumai and soup dumplings. And here they are, perfectly cooked in the steamer. Okay, so let's just go over a few questions that I can answer about this product. But people ask, do you need to line it? And it makes it much easier to clean up if you line the bottom of the steamer basket. I just like to use either cabbage leaves or lettuce leaves. You can also use parchment paper, and some people even put a small plate inside. It still works as long as the edges are open so that the steam can come up through. It's fine, and it makes cleanup a lot easier to line the bottom. What about cleaning? Cleaning's pretty easy. You just wash it in the sink, with a little bit of soap and water and let it dry. That's all you need to do. Every once in a while, you could add a little vegetable oil, but I almost never do that. Now, how long will it last? They last a few years. To be honest, I've had this for, I think, 2 years, and I use it quite often, and it still looks good as new. As long as you wash it, you don't let food get crusted on or stained, it'll last you for years. Is it BPA free? Yes. 100% bamboo, which is an environmentally friendly material, all natural, so there's no chemicals or anything. Can I cook rice in it like a rice cooker? No. That would cause problems and it wouldn't really work very well. Use a rice cooker or a pot to make your rice. What's the difference between a metal steamer and a bamboo steamer? Metal steamers lock in the heat. They get too hot and they can overcook your vegetables. Bamboo steamers have been used for thousands of years, and I feel like you have more control and you just get a better product from cooking in a bamboo steamer than in a metal steamer. Overall, this is a product that I use and love, and I would definitely recommend picking up the Joyce Chen bamboo steamer.